Chairman Kamegalia Tourism Development Corporation MTDC uba Sanbor Shulai. Mentakasngi ka Southrik Unopra. Ulong baya ka Hotel Kroboro ha khandai lat on play no hau nailur jong sunam arjar arpo. Batkan aikam Dunai ke sanspa ngot kisamla balanang lastan. Uba Sanbor lambat Managing Director ke MTDC ba Cyril V Dingdo. Kila IT ke kaipot ke MTDC syu menteri rang ba ke Jelau Konrad ke Sangma hakabala kam bakalayo nong palat Ruklur. Shushu uba Sanbor ulong ru baka jingyo nong ke MTDC kadai ke bakam he du habai nujor bat ki wegi snam baladap namar ka jingkurdu pisabha ya kani ka Krobro Hotel dangsna da ko Oro Hotels and Resort Private Limited balai soy de unong simwai haden bala pentrai kam ka MTDC kan yo iwei pon nyo pulai lak sisnam ya menta ka MTDC ka penyat South Liki Hotel bakan thobya ka Pinewood State Convention Center Orchid Hotel bat ka Orchid Lake Resort bat ki wei ki bakam red kum ka jiwa nong po Orchid Inn Tharlaskain Tourist Lodge Dauki bat kiwei. Managing Director ke MTDC uba Cyril V Dingdo ulong ba ke MTDC kalabu thong ban penmi pisah hadu shispa klur hakini ki arpos number 1.
Bosnat kolong ba hagana ka korentia na du pangila ya simti. Kum chairman berki member jonga board ke batemai but MD batemai. Within this korentia bosnat kolong ka overall na poro ki profits jongka corporation nila laban yo nong adun riu kurtam te hakipor gi munsua ka judan ka jingarap pisa financial assistance ngal yang juga government juga corporation normally kat kum record ke julong ku basan ulak sis dan rai hakini ki arsenam tam government kam simla isu ka financial assistance in spite of that absence of that financial assistance, but still, I congratulate ya managing director Black Richtom keep on the board, but broke staff will let Richtom bring us come to monitor with a new thing. Akaba akalong it's a good sign that bangila appropriate report tam. The kidam giveaway ru ke bangila fear the pesong meeting minin kiniki akaba day kiniki Koroboro Hotel ru tu kumopila TV ka di kebal la sa pending la don ki court case kine kita ibabun ki litigation for the last more than 30 years man te sutrat ka ba minin nila ilon meeting ban ni monitor ya ka naglang MD at his personal level ru I la ya communicate ban fight ban monitor ya berkompetre kami but kumopila TV kini ki last few months nila don ki inspection nila don ki interaction but he took a company but trade them but lain ka assurance ka bangila trace them ka ba by September 2000 by next year 2020 September can hand over ya ka Koroboro Hotel but ka ba nilaban utilize no ya kan apaka welfare and interest of the general public especially the tourists kibawan Sabah tingin kan long ki record ko bangin sutan ba kan ka tenure in akan ka tenure ka jungi akan ka board ka pemerintah ka jungi ka ba ngilaban pendap sebenarnya ka Hotel Koroboro but ka ba kita ki deki but ki deki units ki jungi ka ba hangne ngilaban mention ki ka ba ngilaban generate job avenues ya ki job aspirant ki educated and employed kumbasan spa ngilaban create ki job sekarang mungkin lokal jungi kilalapan wan sekman 2020 barang ni akan kumbang partai kan terusan spy ki job opportunities na mga lokal gitu. Tingin ini di first brief report kapangila Sombit Shawu Honorable Chief Minister kapanginang ya Trace Tom sa report sa report ng jing mentoy juga.